want to learn the English because there are several reasons.
All right. Can you just
First
give
of
me at
all,
least two?
first reasons, I want to get better jobs in the future.
All right.
The jobs requires me to have the English, so that's why I study. And second, I want to study IELTS, so that's why I also want to improve English. Yes,
Okay, very good. So basically, you wanted to enhance your communication skills, and the second thing is you wanted to take IELTS, so you wanted to learn more on English communication skills. Right, very good. So Tim, you actually booked for a video lesson for me, right?
yes, yes,
Yes. So can you please open your video transcript now?
yes.
Okay, I'll give you time to open.
The video we study today is about is about the pronunciation, right?
Yes, all right. The CH sound,
Uh, I
right?
don't know why I do not have the link to open that.
You can't open.
No, I mean I don't have the link to open that.
All right, wait. I'll give you the link, okay?
Yes, please. Thanks.
All right. You tell me if you can open the book now.
Where the link? Okay, awesome. Huh? Log in? I don't think I will log in. Wait. I do not remember my username and my password.
All right. How about the video transcript? Can you see it now?
Huh?
Can you see the video transcript?
Video transcript you copy. Where?
You can't open the link. So I'll share my screen with you. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Yeah, that will be fine.
Okay.
Sorry about that. I'm looking for
It's
the
okay,
lesson, but I
Tim.
cannot see.
Yeah, no problem. All right. So our lesson for this afternoon, Tim, is all about the CH sound, and one of which is the word chair, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I have here, Tim, a video transcript. I'd like you to read the video transcript for me. Do not worry if you commit mispronounced words. Later, I will help you. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's start. Oh, can you see it now? Is it too small? All right, wait for a while.
Yeah, now I think I
Yeah,
can
can you see it
jump.
now?
Okay, I can see it.
Okay.
Uh, Hi. This video is focused on the ch sound. Ch is a voiceless consonant sound, and ch is the act or result of using things together of two different sounds. T and ch. They to combine together to create a sound that is felt and heard as one sound. So the way you can make this sound is to do or perform something. The t sound, which uh, produced by the tip of tongue touching the drum wrist, and to combine together that into the blade of your tongue pointing toward the drum wrist, but not
Ridge.
touching. rich, but no touching to the part of the sound. The most common challenge with this sound is turning into the ch sound. So a word like the tree that produces small brown fruit with a red or black skin. Sounds like cherry. Now let's practice. For this exercise, you will need a one of pair or of thin sticks that are used to eat food. So please to get something one of a pair or thin stick that are used to eat food and scratch the tip of your tongue. Next, press on the gum ridge. That's the place where the gum starts, just behind your front teeth. Now let's try 5 tongue ups, touching the tips of your tongue to the gum ridge and releasing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. Now let's move between the T sound and the ch sound. Here we go. T, T, T. Can you feel the tip of your tongue touch the release and release? Touch and release. This slow and specific work will help you find the placement of the ch sound. So now let's break it up and put it together. Right?
Okay,
Yes.
okay, finally.
Finally, what? Yeah, okay, finally we can to bring things together them completely. It's almost like a gen, right? So here we go. Right, all right. Now let's try some words contrasting the ch sound with the ch sound. Here are a few examples at the beginning of a word. Shore, chore,
Shore, shore, chore.
shore, chore, shop, chop, shin, no, chin, shin. Now let's try them at the end of a word. Leash, leech, dish, ditch,
Marsh,
march, march,
marsh,
march,
march.
march, march.
Your
Try
mouth, your mouth is quite, oh my God. All right. Try this out as you practice on English Central. And good luck. All right. Very good. Okay. How did you find the words? Are they difficult?
I'm not sure. March. Like this?
Ma- March.
Yeah.
Marsh, marsh, march.
March. No, S and H. So we
Yeah,
pronounce March, and another month March.
march. Yeah. Because a lot of foreign people, they actually have difficulty in pronouncing the letters R and letters L, like R and L. La 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 la. Right?
La 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 la. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Tim. So now let us proceed to the vocabulary words. Can you please read the first word?
Combination.
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 Very good. How about the second word?
Taking.
Next word.
Blend. Blending.
Okay, how about the
Cherry.
next
Chopstick.
word? All right. Okay. Tim, can you please give me a sample sentence using the word combination?
Uh, we can have T and ch together, make it become, make it make it combination.
All right. So make it a making it a combination. Okay. How about the word taking? Can you give me a sample sentence using the word taking?
We are taking the English class online now.
Very good. Okay. How about the word blending?
We are learning from T and D
All right. We are blending and
and
right. Okay. How about the word cherry? Cherry is a noun.
we love cherry fruit.
Yeah, we love cherry fruit. Okay. Or I love cherry fruit. Okay. How about the word chopstick?
I usually use chopstick in my lunch time with my friends.
Right. Very good. So you're not using chopstick? Seldom.
No, huh?
Are you
Seldom.
using chopstick? Are you using chopstick when eating? Yes or no?
I use chopstick when I'm eating.
All
Yes.
right. Very good. Thank you, team. Now let us proceed to the comprehension questions. Okay, I'd like you to read number 1 and answer.
Can you move a little bit down? Down a little bit. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
that's good now. Which of the following contrasting pairs of words don't have the ch sound? Which don't have? Uh, letter D, the answer. Letter D, pronounce dish. No, dish and fish.
Very good.
And
Dish and fish.
letter I, we pronounce char. Char and shore. Chair and share. Chip and ship.
So what's
Right?
your answer? Letter?
Letter D is the answer.
Very good. Letter D. Thank you very much. How about for question number 2?
How do you form the ch sound? You have to blend the T and H. T. Um, you have to blend the K and H and blend H and H sound. Letter I the answer.
Letter A. Very good. Letter A. You have to blend the T and the SH sound. Okay. How about
How
for question number 3?
how do you pronounce S and H?
SH. Shh.
We pronounce sh like this. Sh.
Yes. Shh.
Okay.
Yes.
T and sh.
Ship. Ship. Shop.
Ship. Sh. Yeah. Ship. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
S and H is
Shop.
sh.
Sh.
C and H is ch.
Yeah.
Yeah. All
Mount.
right.
This.
Chop. Chop. Chip.
Shop. This.
Chip.
Yeah.
All right.
This. Right. Yeah.
Dish. Yeah. Very good. How about for question number 3? Can you read and answer?
Which of the following words have the sound ch? Uh, letter chief, chick, ching, candler, chef, ching, chick, candler, ching, chick, ching, candler. I think chick, ch, ching, ching. Letter B, the answer.
Letter B. Okay. Because letter A is, it is pronounced as chandelier.
Sun,
Chandelier.
Sunday,
Yeah.
Sunday,
And letter C, that's chick. Chick.
sick,
Chick. Yeah. And letter D, that's chef.
chef,
Chef.
chef, chef,
Yeah. No, no, not chef, not chef. Chef.
chef.
Yeah. So the correct answer with the CH sound, chin, is correct. Letter B.
So letter A and letter C and letter D have the same pronunciation
Yes.
S and H.
Yes. Yes. That's correct. Okay. Thank you very much, Tim. So now let us proceed to the discussion questions. Okay. I'll give you the questions, Tim, and all you just have to do is to freely express your answer. Okay. Okay. Number one. What makes it difficult to produce the CH sound? Explain.
What make difficult for me to pronounce the CH sound? I, I can pronounce CH. No. Uh, I think the most difficult thing could be combine two sounds together and how to mouse move mouth to pronounce the sound. So that's why a little bit uh, difficult.
All right. So when you produce two sounds, it becomes difficult for you to articulate the words or the sounds, okay? The
Yes.
sounds of the letters. Very good. How about question number two? Give three pairs of contrasting words. Use the CH and the SH sounds. So can you
Mm,
give me at least three pairs?
okay.
Okay, go.
Uh, fish and bleach.
Huh? What?
Bleach.
Bleach. All right.
Yeah, bleach.
Bleach.
Yep.
Okay.
Bleach.
Bleach. And what is the other word?
Fish.
Fish.
Yep.
Fish and bleach. Correct. Okay.
Yes.
How about the next word?
Uh, March and dish.
March and dish. Okay, that's
Yes.
correct. Okay. How about the next word? At least
Uh,
three.
chin and shin.
Chin and
Chin and shine. Shine.
chin and shine.
Yeah. Yes, correct.
All right. Okay. Chin and shine. Okay, that's good. It's good that you were able to identify those words and those combinations of S and H and C and H. Okay, very good. Let's proceed to the last question. Give at least three examples of words that use CH sounds. Use them in a sentence. Can you just give me at least two? Chin. Okay, chin. Can you give me a sample sentence using the word chin?
Chan. This is
Yeah,
chin.
chin.
Chin. Yeah. Okay.
Go.
The girl or the lady who is talking to me have a beautiful chin.
The girl, what? The girl,
The girl
the
who
girl who,
talking to me
who talking to me.
have a beautiful chin.
Okay, very good. The girl, you can also say the girl who is talking to me
Yes.
has a beautiful chin.
As a beautiful chin. Hat.
Yeah,
Yeah, hat.
has, has,
Hat. Yeah,
has.
yeah, yeah.
The girl, yeah,
I
you
big
told
hats.
me the girl who talking to me, you will say the girl who is talking to me. Okay?
Yeah. I said
Yeah.
the girl who is talking to me. So we don't need to say is the girl who talking to me.
Yes. That's
Okay.
correct. You have to use linking verbs is or linking verbs are. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any questions? I guess you are confused. Let me type this one for you so you can read the.
Confused
Okay.
was.
The girl who is talking to me has a beautiful chin. Okay?
Is he correct or not?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's correct. At first I spoke like this.
Ah, okay. I thought you told me the girl who talking to me. I didn't hear the word
Mm.
is.
Yeah, no. I have the is. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so Tim, do you have any questions for me before we end our class?
Um, I think it's okay now. Yeah.
All right,
Jean. Thank you
Chin.
so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tim, for booking your class with me. I am very happy to see you online, and I hope you can still book my future classes, okay? So if you like our class, I would like to ask 5 stars from you, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All
Okay.
right, thank you very
Mm.
much. Stay safe. God bless you, and goodbye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Right.